What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. Day 2 restaurant week here in Trinidad and Tobago, and this is the current setting. It's a beautiful, you would have seen me cover this place. We were here last April, I believe. But this is the menu here that I'm going through now. And you can always pause the video if you want. Take a peek at it. So I'm thinking I'm going to try the crab cake salad. While the pepper bite sounds delicious, miss over here, you're going to have that, so I'm going to eat that, right? And for my entree, I'm thinking the save the reef. I've never had lionfish before. The pimento roasted half chicken, and if you guys know anything about pimento, pimento is a seasoning pepper and not the pimento berries that most people use and call allspice. So I will try the lionfish. And as far as my sides, we have seasoned fries, we have small salad cassava fries, creamed potato, savory rice, garlic bread, cranberry coleslaw, steamed vegetables, buttered cassava. Ooh, I remember that. I'm having that. See that right there? Buttered cassava. And for a better perspective, we are on the outside patio. The inside is air conditioned. Outside is pretty hot, but with a view like that, and you know you're going back to winter in Canada. Who wouldn't want to sit out here and sweat a little bit? Yeah. Oh, you got some pepper sauce going on here, boy. Okay, have a try you. Now, kids, don't do like I did. I put the pepper sauce on there. I loaded on there without even tasting it to know how spicy it is. Now, what if that's overly spicy? Then I'm screwed, man. Peep this for a second. There's that lionfish. There's a massive fish there. And the sides, ay, 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 look at the size of the amount of cassava, the festive rice there. But what are you gonna do there?
I don't know, I'm full looking at it.
Yeah. That chicken is looking proper too, boy.
Yeah.
I'm just pulling back the sort of batter on the fish here. You have two options. You can get it fried as I did, or you can get it grilled. And I'm quite surprised how meaty lionfish is. Just look at that, boy. Wow.
Want some B-roll? I'll just squirt some lemon.
Get me some B-roll lemon there. That's lime.
That's lemon.
Lime.
Lemon.
That's lime. In Trinidad, the limes are yellow.
Oh.
Alright, don't over acidic it. What's wrong with this child, boy? One thing I would say about this lionfish, if you've never had lionfish before, you've really got to give it a try. Now, there's a lot of tiny little bones. Excuse me, so you may want to get it filleted. But, wow, is it ever delicious, boy. It will take on a lot of flavors as well. It's one of those fish you can play around with. I wish I had something to play around with, actually. The fly just coming trying to eat my food, boy. What's wrong with that?